This is my night flyer. This is a Bugs 3, MJX Bugs 3. I wrapped it with LEDs. Alright, I'm gonna take it up. Alright, I'm going up, dude.
Well, I can't see through the tree, Christopher.
See it right there?
Not really.
Cyclone. These things, I just wish it had acro mode. It has very good handling. Great beginner drum. Pretty quick too. I tried different blades on it. It wasn't as peppy as it is with the stock blades for some reason. I put some Emax, two Emax blades on it and it don't
In the tree.
alright, going forward. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
This thing flies like a dream, man.
In the tree.
Alright. And whenever you engage the blades, throttle like you get the two blues, you got the white, and you got the bright one in the front. This thing is an awesome night flyer. I'll leave a link to get one in the description from Amazon. You don't get to with the LEDs though, you gotta put them in. The only thing I did was jumped it off the LEDs that it already has. But that's it. Tune in, thank you.